Thanks, Jamila. A fire raged in a section of the Myersville dump in St. Elizabeth on Saturday. The cause of the fire is not yet known, but firefighters responded to the blaze around 1 p.m. and worked to contain the blaze.
Of hoses to extinguish the blaze.
So how many units are here and where they are from?
2 units are here. We have a pumper from Junction, which is 5-41, and a water tender from Santa Cruz.
Now, persons who make a living from the dump expressed concern about Saturday's fire.
You can't afford to lose my little job because I have 2 children when the house was at dump and I don't have a house.
We take another break, but please stay with us because over international stories when we return.